America and good evening India. Here is some breaking news. As the final week before election day approaches in the United States, Reuters reported that Donald Trump will be voting in Florida, his adopted home, where he spends a considerable amount of time. According to the report, approximately 53 million Americans have cast early ballots at a record-setting pace for the elections on November 3rd. Perhaps the highest voter turnout in a century. Last year, Trump had changed his permanent residence and voter registration last year from New York State to Florida, and he will be voting in West Palm Beach, close to his Mar-a-Lago property. The US Capitol and the White House are already preparing for the January 20 ceremony to usher in the new president of the United States. How it may be, the Associated Press reported there are visible signals of security being ramped up near these landmark buildings and around Washington DC, and the inaugural platform on which the president, vice president, and at least 1,600 other people sit is already being set up on the west front of the Capitol. Questions are being asked, however, about how to accommodate the inauguration ceremony, keeping in mind the crowds and the coronavirus outbreak. A less well-known government agency that Trump had created in 2018 within the Department of Homeland Security issued a warning about bad guys, whoever they are, trying to sort out about the integrity of the US election. The Associated Press reported. This comes after Trump had claimed that this election would be the most corrupt in American history. According to the Associated Press, this statement by Christopher Krebs, the director of the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, is notable because it is contrary to Trump's own message, given that he had created this organization in the first place. Fact-checking claims by political leaders and the presidential candidates themselves have become even more important amid the election disinformation in the US. The AP has compiled an interesting list of some of the most popular but untrue stories and visuals related to the 2020 presidential election in the United States that have been doing the rounds this week. The list includes bizarre claims like one where a photo had been circulating showing American rappers Ice Cube and 50 Cent wearing hats that show support for Trump, and another where pop star Miley Cyrus purportedly inspired Amy Coney Barrett to be a judge and was recently nominated to a US Supreme Court seat. Trump has not only changed the socio-political system in the United States, but has also changed the world. The BBC writes, while closed borders and climate change are important issues, the report also includes a poll that shows how among world leaders, Trump is among the least trusted, even less than China Xi Jinping. Behind the report, Fosak TV USA.